Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I prepared this vanilla wedding cake recipe. It has been highly demanded in this channel. A lot of people sending me messages about making a vanilla wedding cake. So I decided to make the small quantity. So if you want to make more, you can add up the recipe. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you can join this lovely family by clicking on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new video. Subscription is free just for you to be getting a lot of my new video. If I drop any new video, you will get an alert. To my returning subscribers, you are all welcome. I love you so much. Don't forget to like this video, feel free to comment, and also feel free to ask questions. Please invite a friend to this channel. Let's get started. Ingredients for this cake: you need 5 eggs, you need your butterscotch flavor, half tablespoon, you need vanilla flavor. I'm using white vanilla, clear vanilla, half tablespoon. You need your black charcoal, you need 1 tablespoon of black charcoal. You can also add your golden syrup. You can add 1/2 tablespoon, but I'm not using it today. My sugar is 170 grams of sugar. For my flour, I'm using 270 grams of flour. I'll be using 250 grams of butter or your margarine. Here I have my fruits soaked with alcohol for up to a month now. I have a teaspoon of nutmeg with half teaspoon of cinnamon. My baking powder is just 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add in your margarine and you begin to mix. Cream a little and you add in your sugar. Continue creaming till it's looking pale. Make sure to sieve your flour very well. Add in all the dry ingredients. I just poured in my nutmeg, cinnamon, baking powder, stir together and you set aside. For the liquid ingredients, open up your eggs. Please, if you're not sure your eggs are fresh, please take your time and cut it one after the other. Be sure not to add in bad ones into this mixing bowl. Okay, whisk a little. Add in half tablespoon of butterscotch flavor. And you also add in half tablespoon of vanilla flavor to it. Add in a tablespoon of black charcoal. These are super ingredients for wedding cake. It tastes so amazing in your cake. Take your time and mix. Mix very well and you set it aside. Right now, I've started preheating my oven. I've greased my pans with butter and dusted them with flour. Okay, it's time to mix our cake batter. You can see my butter and sugar Butter and sugar is looking powerful. Let me cream it a little before we start mixing. A little of the dry ingredients, a little of the wet ingredients. You take your time and mix little at a time till you mix everything right inside. Now everything is well mixed, so I'll be adding in my fruits with juice. So take your time to still mix everything right in. You see that alcoholic juice inside. It can take this cake up to 2 to 3 weeks without being in the freezer, and it will still be fresh and fine. That is the work of alcohol in cake. Alcohol makes your cake last for a long time, especially wedding cake. It takes it so far. That is why some people's wedding cake can stay months in their freezer. They are still enjoying it due to the presence of the alcohol in it. It can make the cake last for a longer time. After pouring it out, you just tap on your table. Take your time to tap to close up air bubbles. Bake up to 25 minutes and you start shaking to be sure when your cake will be ready. You can see how our cake is looking. It's looking nice. After 30 minutes, the smaller one is ready. Wow, it's looking pretty nice. Can see it is pretty ready. Okay, while we wait for the bigger one. Wow, the big one is ready. Wow, looking so creamy, so nice. If you are new to my channel, this is the first time of watching my video, you can join this lovely family by clicking on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting alerts of our new videos, so that any day we post any new video, you will get an alert. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting our new notification, new video notification, new video alert in your phone. That is why it's important you subscribe and join this lovely family. Feel free to tell us any video you want us to post next. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and comment. Bye.